Welcome back. Today, let us discuss about higher advanced therapy in hair treatments, that is GFC. So, myself, Dr. Sharanya from New Roots Hair Clinic, Raipur. So, what is GFC? GFC means growth factor concentration therapy. In this, we use patients 20 ml blood and collected in a specialized test tubes which contain substance, gel-like substance, which is used to separate growth factors from your blood, that is from your platelets. After collecting, these test tubes are sent to the centrifugation machine. After one centrifugation, these growth factors get activated in higher concentration. These concentrated growth factors are collected in a small syringes. With the help of these syringes, we inject into a patient's scalp. So let us know what are the benefits that we get by doing GFC. All of us know about what are the stages for the growth of hair, that is anagen phase, telogen phase and catagen phase. Anagen phase is a growth phase, whereas catagen phase is a resting phase. Coming to the telogen phase, it is a shedding phase. So this GFC improves the anagen phase, that is growing phase. So in this GFC, there are multiple growth factors like platelet derivative growth factors, insulin-like growth factors, epidermal growth factors, and endothelial growth factors. So all these growth factors helps to boost the hair follicles. It increases the circulation surrounding the hair roots and also improves the diameter of the hair roots. So we get thicker hair, voluminous hair, and also improves the growth speed of the hair. So let us know who can take GFC. GFC can be taken by any gender, like male or female. It is mostly suitable to patients who has androgen alopecia, alopecia areata, and also who has stress-related hair loss and pregnancy-related hair loss. So it is most effective process compared to other therapy. And coming to cost of the GFC is slightly costlier compared to other therapies because of its accurate results and also its single centrifugation process. So coming to number of sessions we need. Sessions are minimized compared to other therapies. It needs at least minimum 1 to 2 sessions at a gap of 4 to 6 weeks. So if you have any queries regarding GFC and all, you can contact us. Thank you for watching this video.